In this video, we need to create a payroll master. In the payroll master, we are going to create attendance and production type. In our last video, we created the payroll units, simple and the compound payroll units. But now we need to create attendance and production type, which is used to define the pay, the salary is either with pay or without pay. So in Tally ERP 9, we have like four different attendance or the production type. The first one, that is attendance leave with pay. Second one, that is leave without pay if your employee is absent without informing. The third, that is production type, for example labor hours or overtime. And the fourth one is user defined calendar type. So first we have attendance leave with pay. So we are creating this attendance leave with pay to record the positive attendance and leave with pay. For example, if your employee is present or if there is a sick leave. So what are the effect that how you will maintain in Tally ERP 9? Second type, that is leave without pay. We use this record or we use this option to record negative attendance. For example, if employee is absent without informing the company, or if he is absent, that is leave without pay. Third, that is production type. For we use this record the production details. For example, if there's a production item, overtimes, labor hour or machine hours is there. Then the fourth one, that is user defined calendar type, uses to create a user defined calendar which can be used later to specify the variable number of production days for each month. For example, 25 days in January, 24 days in February, and 26 days in March. That is a user defined calendar type. That is the fourth option. Normally in UAE, we are using attendance leave with pay or leave without pay. And if the company is a manufacturing company, then we use this option production type to record the overtime. So we need to create the following attendance of the production type. So we will give the name present pay, and the attendance type will be attendance leave with pay. The type is this. Then we're going to create the name absent pay. If employee is absent, that is leave without pay. If there is a sick leave, that is leave with pay. And there's an overtime also, and the type is attendant type is production. So the first one is present pay, or you can only enter present only, and the type is attendance leave with pay. So how to create this in Tally ERP 9? You have to go in the master. We have this payroll info. In payroll info, we have this attendance production types. Enter. So we need to create. Enter. So first we have, it is present pay, and the type is attendance leave with pay. So it is present. Present pay. Enter. Enter. And that is primary. Enter. And attendance type is attendance leave with pay. Enter. Enter. Save it. Then we have absent pay. If the employee is absent, that consider as an absent, and that is also under primary, and that is leave without pay. Enter. Enter. Save it. Similarly, I'm going to create, if there is a sick leave, enter, it's a primary, and that is attendance leave with pay. enter, save it. If there is an overtime, enter. It is under the primary, enter, and that is the type is production, enter. And you're measuring this overtime, you're calculating this overtime on, let's suppose, on hour base. So enter, save it. So this is how we create attendance and the production type in Tally ERP 9. If you want to display them, we'll go in the display, enter, and we created these four attendance type or the production type. First, we created this present, which is primary, and in days. Absent is primary, in days. Sick leave, that is primary and in days. And overtime, that is primary and under the production type. And we are calculating overtime in hours. Similarly, if you want to add it or change anything, you can go in the alter. For example, this overtime. So that is overtime under the primary. Attendance type is production, and we are measuring this overtime in hours. We are paying overtime hourly basis. Enter and save it. So this is how we create attendance or the production type in Tally ERP 9.